Holly Green.
Hello, good afternoon. We've got some very strong winds to come through tomorrow afternoon and evening. The Met Office have just issued a warning for wind. We could see gusts up to 60 or 70 miles an hour inland and maybe even a bit more in exposure. It's thanks to a weather system, of course. It's a low pressure moving in for tomorrow and it's just been named as Storm Barney. Now, it brings a spell of wet weather through the middle part of the day. As that clears, though, that's when we see these isobars really starting to squeeze together, giving us the strongest of these winds. Out there through the afternoon, though, it's actually not too bad out there, some sunny spells around, but we do start to see some rain beginning to work in from the west later. Fairly mild, though, despite a little bit of a breeze blowing through. Now we head into this evening, we start to see some heavier rain pushing through. That could be a little bit lively perhaps at times. Some fairly blustery winds as well, especially for the coast, but that clears during the early hours. And temperatures don't fall away too far, many places around 9 to 12 Celsius. Into tomorrow morning then, well, a fairly quiet start, I suspect, for the day, maybe a few showers, but it's around the middle part of the day we've got another band of rain pushing through, and it's as that clears that we see the strongest of these winds developing. As I mentioned, gusts of 60 to 70 miles an hour possible, and maybe even a bit higher than that in exposure, so there is the potential for some disruption. Despite that, though, it is a mild day. Now, it stays unsettled throughout the bulk of this week. Some further strong winds at times, some further spells of rain to come as well. Mild initially, but we are going to notice things turning a good bit chillier as we head towards the end of the working week.
Have a lovely afternoon. Goodbye.